Hello, young adventurers. Today, we're diving into the exciting universe of Roblox, where fun meets learning. Imagine a vast digital playground brimming with infinite possibilities. That's Roblox, a place where you're the master of your own game, where your imagination comes alive, and where math becomes an adventure. In this world, we'll be solving not just any math problems, but first-grade math problems designed to challenge your brain and tickle your imagination. We will meet diverse characters, each with their own unique challenges. You'll be using your math skills to help them out, and in return, they'll guide you through this incredible world. Roblox is more than just a game. It's a platform where creativity and knowledge collide in the most fun way possible. And the best part? You'll be learning in English and Tagalog. Are you ready to embark on this thrilling journey? Hold on tight as we're about to start. As we step into this vibrant world, a math challenge awaits us. Can you tackle it with us? Welcome to our first challenge, adventurers. We're faced with a simple addition problem. This is the backbone of all math, the basic building block. It's like the first step on our journey, the first brick in our castle, the first note in our symphony. Let's think of it this way. Imagine we have 2 apples in one hand and 3 apples in the other. How many apples do we have altogether? Let's take this adventure to the next level. In Roblox, we have a fun way of solving this. We're going to find 5 treasure chests. Each chest represents an apple. We're going to start with 2 chests, just like the 2 apples in our hand. As we explore this vibrant world, we find 2 chests hidden in the open. We open each one and voila, we have 2 golden apples. Now we need 3 more to complete our math problem. We scour the land, brave the elements, and navigate through tricky terrains. And then, there they are, 3 more treasure chests waiting to be found. We open them and now we have 3 more golden apples. So we started with 2 apples and then we found 3 more. How many do we have now? That's right, we have 5 golden apples. In the language of math we say, 2 plus 3 equals 5. Or in Tagalog, dalawa plus tatlo ay lima. So we've taken the first step in our math adventure. We've learned that addition is simply combining numbers, or in our case, combining treasure chests. Great job, adventurers! You've successfully solved the first problem. Let's move on to the next challenge. Remember, in math and in life, every problem is just a challenge waiting to be conquered. Together, we can tackle any obstacle that comes our way. Moving forward in our adventure, another math problem stands in our way. Will you help us solve it? As we journey deeper into the world of Roblox, we stumble upon a mysterious gate. It's locked and the only way to open it? You guessed it, we need to solve a subtraction problem. Now don't worry, subtraction is just like taking an apple away from a bunch of apples. Imagine you have 5 apples and you give 2 to your friend. How many are left? Let's find out together. As our character walks through the vibrant Roblox world, he finds 5 beautiful, glistening apples. But oh no, an adorable Roblox squirrel comes by and takes away 2 of these apples. How many apples does our character have now? That's right. Our character is left with 3 apples. So when we subtract 2 from 5, we get 3. In Tagalog, one of the beautiful languages spoken in the Philippines, we say, kapag binawasan mo ang limang dalawa, tatlo ang natitira. Isn't it fun to learn math and a new language at the same time? Our character enters the number 3 on the gate's keypad. With a loud creak, the gate swings open, revealing the path ahead. You've done it! You've helped our character solve the subtraction problem and move forward in this exciting Roblox adventure. Subtraction might seem a bit tricky at first, but with a little practice, it becomes as easy as playing your favorite Roblox game. Remember, every time you subtract, you're simply finding out what's left after taking something away. And guess what? You're not just learning math, you're also becoming a problem solver, a critical thinker, and a brave adventurer. All these skills will help you in your real life too, just as they're helping our character in this virtual world of Roblox. Well done, adventurers! You've cracked the second problem. Let's proceed to the next challenge. As we approach the end of our journey, the final math challenge awaits us. Are you ready to take it on? So here's our final math problem, a simple multiplication problem. Now, don't be overwhelmed. Remember, multiplication is just like adding identical numbers together over and over again. Let's make it more exciting with a thrilling Roblox adventure. Imagine you are a Roblox character standing in a field of flowers. Each flower has 5 petals and you see 4 of these flowers. The question is, how many petals are there in total? You can solve this by adding 5 4 times. Or you can multiply the number of petals on one flower by the total number of flowers. That's 5 times 4. Now let's imagine you're holding a basket, ready to collect petals. You pluck the petals from the first flower and you have 5 petals in your basket. Then you move to the second flower and now you have 10 petals. You continue to the third flower and you have 15 petals. Finally, after the fourth flower, you have 20 petals. So 5 petals multiplied by 4 flowers equals 20 petals. That's how multiplication works, adventurers. It's a quicker way of adding the same number multiple times. But let's not forget about the Roblox adventure. With 20 petals in your basket, you can now trade them in at the Roblox marketplace for a key. This key will unlock the final treasure chest and complete your adventure. See how math is not just about numbers, but it also helps us in our adventures? It's like a secret key that unlocks the mysteries of the world around us. And the more we understand it, the more exciting our adventures become. Fantastic job, adventurers! You've successfully solved the final problem, but our adventure isn't over just yet. Our next journey awaits, and who knows what math challenges we'll face next. Until then, keep exploring and never stop learning. Now that we've completed our journey, let's take a moment to reflect on what we've learned. We began our adventure in the vibrant world of Roblox, filled with endless possibilities and challenges. Our first math challenge wasn't just a test, it was a stepping stone to a world of fun-filled learning. Remember when we tackled those addition problems? We added apples and oranges and found that math is not just about numbers, but about understanding the world around us. We then continued our adventure, hopping from one exciting challenge to another. We learned that subtraction is not about taking away, but about finding out how many are left. We subtracted stars from the sky and realized that even the night sky can teach us a thing or two about math. The final math challenge was no less of an adventure. We faced the mighty multiplication and division problems head-on. We learned that multiplication is about growing numbers, just like how a tree grows from a tiny seed. And division, it's about sharing equally, just like we share our toys with our friends. But remember, the journey doesn't end here. Every day is a new opportunity to learn, to grow, and to explore. And the best part, learning can be as fun and exciting as a game of Roblox. It's not about memorizing numbers or formulas, it's about understanding and applying them in our daily lives. We also learned something valuable today, didn't we? We learned that math isn't just a subject, it's a language that helps us solve problems and make sense of the world around us. And just like any other language, it can be fun and exciting to learn. In Tagalog, the national language of the Philippines, we say, "Ang matematika ay masaya," which means math is fun. And that's exactly what we experienced today. So, young adventurers, keep practicing your math skills. Take them with you on your adventures, both in the world of Roblox and in the real world. And remember, math is not a monster to be feared, but a friend to be embraced. Before we part ways, let's not forget the friends we made along the way, the challenges we overcame together, the laughter, the excitement, and the joy of learning. These are the moments that make our journey worthwhile. So keep those moments close to your heart. Cherish them, because every adventure, every challenge, and every victory is a step towards becoming the best version of ourselves. Thank you for joining us on this Roblox adventure, young adventurers. Keep exploring, keep learning, and remember, math is fun when you make it a game.